Guys, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to find your personal hotspot inside your Android device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on any crucial parts. Now let's begin. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up your settings up and then click on connections and scroll down a bit, and where it says mobile hotspot and tethering, click into that and now toggle mobile hotspot to on. So now your mobile hotspot is turned on, and to find the password for that hotspot so other people can join your hotspot, click into it and there you go. You got your password. It will obviously be different to mine, but you can change it by clicking configure. So you can change your network name in here, change your password, or change my password. Click on save. Now update, refresh. Yeah, and it's as simple as that, guys. Thanks for watching this tutorial to the very end. If this video helped you, please consider to like the video and subscribe to my channel.